Hello everyone, I am Tapan Hazira, student of IIT Guwahati. In this video, I am gonna discuss area under the curve. Previously, we have seen calculus. So in this video, I am gonna use calculus to find out the area under the curve. So how can use calculus to find out the area under curve? Let's see. In the previous video, I discussed the integration, the geometrical meaning of integration. So if there was a curve, there is a curve. For example, y is equal to f of x. This is a curve, and I have drawn in the xy plane. And if I want to know, for example, this point is located at x is equal to a, and this point is located at x is equal to b, and I am naming the point, this point as a and this as a point b, and I want to know what is the area under this curve. Area under the curve means the region below this curve with x-axis. This is our x-axis. Then area under the curve means the region between our curve and x-axis. So this is the area under the curve. So geometrical meaning of integration was, if this is a curve y is equal to f of x, then area under the integration was our y dx. This was our y dx, and this is nothing but our area. This is nothing but our area. Let us see with an example. Suppose I have an equation of line. For example, y is equal to mx. Sorry, this will be, for example, I am considering 2x, a simplest equation which looks like this. So this is nothing but our equation of straight line. If you remember, the equation of straight line was y is equal to mx plus c. What was m? So m was slope of the line and c was intercept with y-axis. I mean, if this is a straight line, this is our coordinate axis, and if I draw a straight line in this fashion, and the coordinate of this point 0 c, I mean this straight line intersects our y-axis at point 0 c, then the equation of straight line will be this. What is m? M is the just slope of the line. So slope is what? So slope m is equal to tan theta. Then how can I calculate what is our area under this curve? For example, I want to calculate x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3. What is the area under curve in between from x is equal to 3 to x is equal to 1? For example, if I denote this as a x is equal to 1 point and this is x is equal to 3 point, then what is the area in between? I mean this region represents area under the curve. So how can I calculate? So to calculate this area, I can use two methods. First one is the calculus and second one is the geometrical method. So in geometry, I will just draw a perpendicular line here. Then this region will be divided into two geometrical figure. I mean this will be a triangle, and this one will be a rectangle one. So this will be our rectangle and this will be triangle. If add the area of two, I can find out what is the area under this curve. So let's see from calculus, how can I calculate using calculus. So y is our 2x plus 1. Then area will be integration of y dx. Put limit x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3. Then this will be x is equal to 1, 2, x is equal to 3. I'll just put value of y here. So this will be 2x plus 1 dx. Just integrate this. So this will be 2 times x square by 2 plus 1. Put limit x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3. X is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3. So this will be 2 will be cancelled out. Then put limit separately. First put limit x is equal to 3. Then put x is equal to 3. So let us first put the x is equal to 3 value. So if I put x is equal to 3, then this will be 3, 9 plus this will be x. Okay. Our integration was integration of x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3. This was 2x plus 1. So integration of x will be x square by 2 and integration of 1 will be x. So that is why I can put here x square plus x, limit x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3. Then if I put first put x is equal to 3. If I put x is equal to 3, then this will be 3 plus 9 plus 3. Then put x is equal to 1, separated by minus sign. So lower limit will be separated from upper limit by minus sign. So this will be 1 plus 1, this will be 2. Then it will be 10 unit. So using calculus, I find that the area under this curve will be 10 unit. Let us see. Let us solve this problem with geometry. So how can I find geometry? First of all, I don't know this point and this point. I only know x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So how can I figure out this point and this point? So our equation was y equal to 2x plus 1. If I put x is equal to 1 here, so y of 1 will be 2 plus 1. So this is 3. So I find that say this point is 3. Then again put x is equal to 3 to find out this point. So this will be 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1. So this is 7. So I find this. I find that the location of this point. That means this is 7. So what is the height? Let us see first this triangle. So what is the height of this rectangle? So the height of the rectangle is 3 and base is 3 minus 1, 2. So I have a rectangle whose base is 2 and height is 3. Then area will be 2 multiplied by 3, base multiplied by height. Then that will be 6. So I find that the area of this curve, this part is 6 unit. Let us see area of this one. So this is our triangle. This is our triangle. What is the height? This one 7 minus 3. So height is what? So height is 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. That means 4 unit. Then what is the base? So base is same. 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is 2. So what is the area of triangle? So area of triangle is half times base multiplied by height. Half times base multiplied by half times. Then our base is 2 multiplied by height is what? 4. So this is 4 unit. So I find that area of the square is 6 unit and area of the triangle is 4 unit. So total area, if I consider this is as a area of the triangle, area of the rectangle is A1 and area of the triangle is A2. Then total area will be A1 plus A2. That means 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 unit. And previously using calculus we also seen that area of the curve was 10 unit. Hence two methods are verified. So to calculate area under the curve we can follow two methods. First one is geometrical method and second one is calculus method. So limitation of the geometrical method is if figure is regular. For example, if figure is circle, rectangle, triangle, we can calculate easily. But if arbitrary shape is given, we cannot calculate by geometrical method. We have to calculate by using calculus. So this is how we calculate the area. So this was all about area under curve. So thank you.